Hello dear children. Today in this class we are going to start a new chapter, that is one and many, from lesson number 4 of your English 1 book. So let's get started. You are not going to write anything in the copy now. You have to listen the explanation only. So in this picture you can see that on the left side there is one apple and on the right sides there are 4 apples. So on the left side we have one and on the right side we have many. Alright, so one, when something is 1 in number, it is said to be singular. When anything is in one number, okay, it is said to be singular. And when something is more than 1 in number, more than 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, or it may be 100, then it is said to be plural. 1, if there is one thing or one person, then it is singular. And if it is more than 1, ek se zyada, if it is more than 1, then it is called plural. So on the left hand side we have one apple, that is singular, and on the right hand side we have 4 apples, then it is plural. Now in this page I will explain you how to form singular to plural. In your book 2 rules are given, so we will learn it now. Formation of singular to plural. Rule number 1, we add s at the end of a naming word to make it plural. We add s, like in the picture you can see on the left hand side one cup is there, it is, so we are going to write only cup, and if you are going to make it plural, then you are going to add s, cups. If it is cups, then we can understand that it is plural in number. Where there is no s, it is singular. Where there is s, it is plural. On the left hand side, how many cup we have? We have 1 cup. So 1 cup is singular. And on the right hand side we have 2 cups, cups. What we are adding here? S. Okay, when we are adding s, it becomes plural. The next picture we have duck on the left hand side, duck. There is only one duck, so it is singular in number. And on the right hand side we have 2 ducks, duck, and we are adding s to make it plural. Cup and duck is singular on the left hand side, and on the right hand side what we have? Cups and ducks. So what is rule number 1? We have to add s at the end of a naming word. What was the naming word here? Cup, cup, cup. So at the end what we are adding? S to make it cups. In this page, rule number 2, we add es to the nouns ending in s, sh, ch, and x to make it plural. Alright, all the nouns you see on the left hand side, bus, this word is ending in s. ये सारे word किससे end हो रहे? S. dish. What is the last letter? sh. Then next one is bench, bench. What is the last letter? ch. And in this page we have the last letter is x, fox, fox. So the noun which ends, end, end mean एंडिंग जो खत्म होता है. ओके, एस सबसे लास्ट वर्ड है. yes or no? in dish, dish, we have sh, the last letter. bench, ch is the last letter. yes, and in fox we have x as the last letter. So in such cases we are going to add es. What we are going to add? es to make it plural. You see here on the right hand side, two buses are there, two dishes are there, two benches are there, and two foxes are there. Alright, so bus, the noun is ending in s. If the noun is ending in s, अगर कोई वर्ड s से ख़त्म हो रहा है तो उसमें हम क्या ऐड करेंगे प्लूरल बनाने के लिए? es. Alright, dish. The word is ending in sh. So what we will add to make it plural? es. Benches, bench, bench. Then we are adding es to make it plural. Here the noun is ending in x. किस लेटर से ख़त्म हो रहा है? x. तो जो वर्ड x से ख़त्म होता है प्लूरल बनाने के लिए we are going to add es. Alright, see again point number 2. We add es to the nouns ending in s. bus bus is ending in s. sh, dish ending in sh. Bench is ending in ch, and fox is ending in x. So in all these words we are going to add es to make it plural. So I am going to stop the explanation here. In the next class we will do the exercises from page number 18, 19 and 20. So till then you keep on watching the video. Thank you.